Welcome to Global Markets Roundup. Weekly updates on global gold markets, global stock markets, global currency markets, and global economic updates. Myself, Sajid Kumar. The global economy update. US election is over, the victory of Joe Biden, and markets are closely watching on new presidential action, especially on trade wars, which include rollbacking US China and US Europe additional trade tariff. That will be very much supportive for US steel and aluminum industry as well. Reducing trade war tensions will boost global economic growth. New COVID-19 US policies and US stimulus package announcement will very much supportive for markets this week. US corporate tax hike, new healthcare plans, and technology sector regulations and immigration rules change are key important areas where markets are expecting immediate action from the new US president. Europe COVID-19 second wave, and to prevent further spread, UK and Europe have started taking strict measures. England, Greece, France, Paris, Spain started announcing more red zones and lockdowns. This will negatively affect the GDP across Europe and UK. UAE has announced recently relaxation of Islamic laws for personal freedom. This will boost attraction of foreigners to UAE for business and tourism. India's SBI chairman commented that the Indian economy is expected to bounce back from next financial year onwards. Global gold market update. Last week, international gold trading touched 1.5 months high and marking US dollar 1,949 per ounce. Considering the current COVID-19 pandemic situations, festival season, and year-end process will be supportive for gold price this week. Considering the positive factors, gold price may touch a higher level US dollar 1,975 this week. Dubai, the city of gold, had closed higher and quoted at 236 dirhams per gram for 24 karat gold. Newly launched US gold digital stable currency quoted as unchanged and $2,540 per ounce. Gold futures trading and the gold exchange rate were also closed higher last week. US dollar movements, updates on US stimulus packages are more important for gold this week. Global stock market update. Last week, Indian stock market and the US stock market had closed the trading in higher level, and Indian stock market are set to touch all-time high this week, most probably. FIS was continuous buying, and that was supportive for Indian stock market. And Sensex had closed last Friday trading at 41,893 level and marking 552 points up. Nifty had closed at 12,263 level and marking 143 points up on Friday. US stock markets had also closed last week trading in a mixed trend after US presidential election. Dow Jones closed at 66 points down and Nasdaq closed slightly up 4 points up. Last week, European stock market had also closed in lower level. FTSE closed at 49 points down, DAX closed at 88 points down. Gulf stock markets started this week trading in a mixed trend. Dubai financial market closed at 21 points up, Abu Dhabi Stock Exchange closed at 11 points down, Kuwait Stock Exchange 32 points up, Bahrain Exchange 10 points up, Oman Muscat Securities 1 point up, Saudi Stock Exchange 71 points up, and Qatar Exchange 18 points up. If FIs are continuing their investments, Indian stock markets may touch all-time high this week. Global currency market update. Last week, Indian rupee had touched 70.76 level and closed at 70.20 level against US dollar. US dollar was strengthening last week after US presidential election. That was the major reason Indian rupee was weakening last week. Last Friday, UAE dirhams closed at 20.20 level, Saudi riyal 19.71, Qatari riyal 20.32, Omani riyal 192.19, Bahraini dinar 196.27, Kuwaiti dinar 242.26, Euro 87.89, British pound 97.38, Canadian dollar 56.75, British pound 97.38, and Australian dollar 53.74. The weak US dollar and the continuous upward trend for stock market, that will be very much supportive for Indian rupee for this week.